MP ke Shillong parliamentary seat Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon menta ka stantrik nailur ke sengi rakhe kerpang ki nong hikai ne ke teachers day ulawan long kumu Kongsan ban ai jingkren ha Mary Bonds KH Memorial College Soyong ka Shlem Pule bala Seng de late HDR Lyngdoh ke jingwan jung MP ke Shillong parliamentary seat kadai ke jing khot ngobha jong ke ka Mary Bonds KH Memorial College Soyong ha ke jing pen ko burom ke college ya ar phlai ngot ki samla pule kin thei bat chinrang te college ki balawan shakmat ki karan pule bala poi banengkong ka khun jong let HDR Lyngdoh ka badai ka president ke te college ka kong marvelous remai ka penpau ke jingkemen baka Mary Bonds KH Memorial College Soyong ka pau ha ka jingwan shakmat ki khana pule khamtam klai khublai bat kitbok ik samla bari tengenlang syabong ka bala penpau ha ka thup top 10 jong ke te college Shu ka kong marvelous remai kalai thu ika khana lengkot balabu mau nongrim mantei ya ka college house name arhajar khatsan bar house name arhajar khanreula pli perda ya kane ka Shlem Pule bala Seng do khupa jongka late HDR Lyngdoh ha kane ka sngi pen ko burom ye ki ar flyingot ki samla pule ke college ladan ringkat u principal uba Robert L Maunai ki nong hikai ki khun ki ti ulet HDR Lyngdoh usim ki ma Soyong usodar snong ki kimi ki pa jong ki samla pule bat kiwe ki bala cha khot ngobha
Ai ka jing snongo ya ublei try kenlat namar ba ka de ka jing kerhu jong ublei try kenlat bang ila ban pe shuduk shene bang inyo ya iwi kenna na ka college jong ni ba inyo position ne ka kerdan hatasin ke beningkong jong ka khasi department but kumjo ru ngap pediang snobha ya i chief guest jong ni ibadi Kongsan mentagas ni I Dr. Ricky Syngkon ibadi MP National Constituency but ngi songo shibun sai phi ba fila plai bor pen kibun kam ki ba phya pendam je ai khuble ya I khena jongi I badri tingen lang shabong ngam tip sha idan ngapet nang ni ngami I te khuble shibun ba fila wanla ya ngi kata ka jik sarong ba ibri ru shabar kla tip shapang ka shnong jongi shapang ka soyong ba menta ka soyong ru kala don hakata kama jong kani ka top 10 ti khubli shibun ni sumo yaki hinmen yaki bhai jo phiru bakila wan hangni menta bat kumjo ru yaki para khenna yakani ka college Melbourne KH Memorial College la Seng dai I HDR Lyngdoh bangkwai hadwa ruble ibadi ru I papa jonga ti ila long ru I president jongani ka college hadu kisni hadu jong I but kumno ila thau kani ka college mo bale ti haka jing trikam jong I but haka jing yalek ti jong I ilai I babun ki khena nakani ka shnong ikut no ka jing puli tang hadu class 12 naman sai bakimla bat bor balik chiduk shasor but kumju ru nakibun ki daw ki ba nimla banjen ti dala yo I kumto I shem katwai dang haka jing yalek ti jong I ru ilai I jingai ba menta ka pon ni don kam sha man yo kata ka jing puli ka bakham shalor khanang ba kajai benriu kala ban kiu bat ka khai ka pateng ka imlang sar langru ngila ban shong suk shong san ti kum ta ila Seng ikani ka college house nem arja khatsan ila bu mau nongrem bat ha ka arjar khat riu la pli ikani ka college ha ka ba ki khenna ki don kumba arhu tami bat ki nong kai ki don tang prangwet ti hakini ki snem ki bala dem ngi kumka college ngi mat bon bha ki jing
of this great nation of ours. Friends, I offer my sincere congratulations to all the students who will be felicitated today for achieving another milestone and for adding another cap in their academic career. All students, I'm sure, they cherish this graduation or felicitation day, and I am really delighted to be here with you on this defining day of your life. And I'm so happy to also know that this is the first felicitation day. Well, there can never be a second, third, fourth if there's no first. So today is the day to be remembered in the life of the college and in the life of the teachers, especially in the life of the students of this college. And I hope and I'm sure you will have many, many more such felicitation day in the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, it is quite heartening to know also that the college, since its establishment in 2015, and of course started its journey way back in 2016, has now, I would say, successfully completed almost 8 years of imparting quality learning, character building, and hopefully, I'm sure, skill development to many students since its very inception. It is a matter of great satisfaction that the college has grown over the years and is now a college which is like an epicenter, particularly in this part of the states. I am hopeful that the college, in spite of the several constraints that I've heard from your principal, listening to his speech, I can understand that the college is really, is really going through tough times, but tough times never last. And I'm sure, therefore, under the able leadership of your principal, together with the support of the members of the governing body, the support of the local darbar, the support of the parents, and also the community in and around this place, I am very hopeful that your college will continue to commit itself to the highest level of imparting quality education through continuous upgradation of facilities and infrastructure, even though today you may not have the kind of facility, the infrastructure that you mentioned, but I'm sure it is just a beginning, and I'm sure you'll get what you deserve if you have a vision and if through your dedication and hard work and determination, I'm sure the problems that you mentioned earlier, I'm sure those problems would are simply challenges that would give you this, the dedication, the strength to overcome these problems. Because problems are problems, then they indeed become problem. But if you look at problem as opportunities, it is only going to bring good to the college. And so I'm sure that these upgradation will take place in the years to come. Innovation, which I'm sure you are, thinking about innovation in terms of thinking and also manifesting the thinking, the innovation into reality. I also take therefore this opportunity to congratulate each and every one who have been associated and who is associating with this college for the growth and development of this college, which I'm sure it will one day be one of the prestigious college, not only in the state but even in this part of this region. High quality education, my dear friends, is the best way forward for developing and for maximizing our country's rich talent and resources, particularly the human resources. Our ability to provide high quality education, high educational opportunity to our youth will, I'm sure, determine the future of this great nation of ours. Well, education, no doubt, it does determine our leadership on the global stage in terms of economic growth, in terms of social justice, in terms of social equity, scientific advancement, national integration, and also cultural preservation. We believe that continual developments of infrastructure, initiatives, career counseling, which I'm sure you would be having in the days to come, placement cell, these are areas which you should be having, and the other concept of the college, along with well-structured, need-based vocational courses and teaching, which you have already mentioned. Looking at the need of this place, you took a decision to do something, which is the need of this place. Particularly, you mentioned about organic farming as one of the vocational courses that you're going to take up and that you're taking. And I'm sure that will be indeed a blessing to the people in this place, because organic farming is an area where there's tremendous scope and potential, even at the global level. But this is a time where people are looking for organic products. And so what you have done, I think it is in the right direction. So on this, I would sincerely compliment also the faculty of this college. I know it is a very young faculty, but then very dedicated, very dynamic, full of enthusiasm to do and to give their best for the good of our dear students. And I urge on the faculty members also, in the context of NEP, it is indeed quite a challenge, but also I think it calls upon the faculty members to also pursue with their research, because research will only complement your teaching in the classroom. Faculty of this college, each one of you, to take this as a challenge. I know teaching in itself is a great challenge, but also learning, is another challenge. So I urge the faculty members to pursue with their PhD, pursue with research, and contribute to the betterment of classroom and also to the society at large. So, my dear students, your degree, remember that you will be receiving, in the college, and also the formal degree that you'll be receiving from the university. It is not a piece of paper. It is a testament to your perseverance, a testament of your dedication and your potential. And a reminder that yes, I can do it. Nothing can stop you. And the students who will be receiving, who will be felicitated today, they bear testimony to the fact that nothing is impossible. It is the paper that you're going to receive, if at all you're receiving any certificate from the college, is a symbol of knowledge, a symbol of experience that you've had in the last 3 years, and even relationship that you have developed, and many things that you have gained during your time in this college. I want all my dear students to remember that one of the purposes or objective of education lies ahead of you is indeed full of challenges, but let us remind ourselves, it is also a journey that promises endless possibility. And as you venture into this world, you will definitely encounter challenges, you will encounter setbacks, you will encounter elements of uncertainty. But it is important to embrace all of these as opportunities for growth and learning. As the President had mentioned earlier about failure, failure is not a destination. It is simply a stepping stone towards success. And the most successful individual in the world today, and those who have left a legacy, are those who have learned from their mistakes and persevered in the face of adversity. My dear young friends, remember that education is not just about acquiring knowledge. Like I said, it is also about critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and also a lifelong love for learning. And learning has no end. Till your last breath, there's always scope, always an opportunity to learn. And these qualities, my dear friends, I am telling you that they will serve you well throughout your career and even in your personal life. To pursue your passion with unwavering determination. Do not be afraid to take risks and to step outside of your comfort zone. Late by HDR Lyngdoh, as we all fondly know him, he took a decision, a bold decision to do something. Why? Because he had eyes and he saw what is happening. He has ears and heard the cries of the people. And that is why, because of him, we are gathered here in this very place. So, my young friends, the founder of this college is one of a good example for you to take risks and to step outside of your comfort zone. And the greatest reward often comes from the greatest challenges. And we are here, to all, in a word, to say that the reward that we are receiving is because of what your late Mahe, your dad, had taken the risks, the challenges, and this is the reward that we are all witnessing in today's program. So I extend my best wishes to each one of you that you will never forget the values, especially the students, and the values and the principles that you have learned during your time spent in this college, that a good seed planted will always bear good fruit. Let our lives be like the good seed that is planted in good soil so that we can bear good fruits for the good of the future. These values, my dear friends, will not only enhance your own personal career, but I am sure it will help in building an equitable, inclusive, and a plural society as desired by all of us. This is some of the few messages that I would like you to take home with you. I would at this time also sincerely again come back to the principal, Robert L. Maunai, and the excellent faculty and staff who have guided and supported these young friends of ours, the young graduates. Your dedication, your commitments have played a vital role, I'm sure, in their success. I wish the college great success in the years to come. And once again, I congratulate the class of 2024. You have indeed accomplished much, and I have no doubt that you will continue to achieve greater things in the years to come. May you continue to put your faith in God Almighty. Remember, with Him, nothing is impossible. And with God on your side, you can overcome obstacles, or rather see problems and challenges as opportunity.